You may have messed up. You may have drifted far away. But here's what no one told you. Allah doesn't get tired of you. He waits. Not with anger, but with love. There's a HadithQudsi where Allah says,
وَمَنْ أَتَانِي يَمْشِي أَتَيْتُهُ هَرْوَلًا.
If my servant comes to me walking, I go to him running. Subhanallah, imagine that. You walk one step, and the Lord of the heavens runs toward you. That's not the description of a judge waiting to punish. That's the description of a loving Creator, who misses his servant's voice in dua. Maybe you've stopped praying. Maybe your heart feels too dirty, too distant. But Allah never said, be perfect and then come to me. He said, come to me, I'll make you perfect. Every tear you shed, every astaghfirullah whispered in guilt, every small effort to fix your salah. It's all seen, all counted, all loved. Allah's door was never closed. You just have to knock once. He's not far. He's waiting for you. So tonight, just say, Ya Allah, I'm coming back. And He will run to welcome you home. Comment, Ya Allah, I'm coming back to you. Save this, your reminder that Allah never gives up on you. Follow for more Quranic hope and Islamic motivation.